Meaning of flagstone.
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 Flagstone. Flagstone refers to a type of flat, usually rectangular-shaped stone that is commonly used for paving outdoor areas like patios, walkways, and pathways. Flagstones are typically made of sedimentary rocks such as sandstone, limestone, or slate, and can vary in size and thickness. They are known for their durability and natural appearance, which can enhance the aesthetics of an outdoor space. The irregular shape and varied colors of flagstones add texture and visual interest to a landscape design. Overall, flagstones are a popular choice for creating a rustic and inviting outdoor living area.